Hello everyone, welcome to the Bug Expert channel. In this video, we will talk about solutions for friends who get Snapchat support code error. Although this problem is not known to many users, there is no definite explanation by Snapchat developers yet. Of course, this problem can be encountered for many reasons. For example, the Snapchat application is not up to date, which can cause us to encounter various errors like this. For this, we will try to solve the problem by telling you a few suggestions. First of all, we classically need to clear the cache of the Snapchat application and check the permissions plugin. For this, let's access the applications menu and select the Snapchat application and first clear the cache and data. After deleting the cache and data, come back and check if the permissions are turned on from the permissions menu. After performing these operations, you can open the Snapchat application and check if the problem persists. If your problem persists, open the Google Play application and check if the Snapchat application is up to date. If the Snapchat app is up to date and the problem persists, delete the app and reinstall it. After the installation is successfully completed, run the Snapchat app and check if the issue still persists. If this suggestion didn't work for you, let's open the browser and reach My Snapchat Accounts page. Provide access by entering your username and password on the screen that opens. Uninstall all active applications by clicking the Manage Apps option on the screen that opens and come back. Then click on Unlock My Account and Verify and click on the Unlock button. After the process is completed successfully, you can open the Snapchat app and check if the problem still persists. If your problem persists after this process, delete the Snapchat application and open your browser. Search by typing Snapchat Old Verizon on the search screen. Then, let's access the site I showed and download the old Snapchat application. After the installation process is complete, let's run the Snapchat application and check if the problem persists. If this suggestion did not work for you, open the Google Play application and download the multiple account application and run it. Then, select the Snapchat application and perform the cloning process. The application crashes because I am telling you through the emulator. For this, clone the Snapchat application by applying it as I explained and check if the problem persists. If none of the suggestions I have given you are working, the error that occurs in the Snapchat application may cause you to encounter various errors like this. These could be crashes or maintenance. We can get help from the Down Detector site to observe. For this, open your browser and type Down Detector on the search screen and access the site I showed. Then search for it by typing Snapchat on the site's search screen. As you can see, on the 18th of the month we mostly see a graph showing that users are encountering many errors. This may also be due to maintenance or server crashes. For this, we can try to log into the Snapchat application again by waiting a few hours. Yes, in this video we have provided information on how to fix Snapchat support code error. If you are encountering various errors, you can reach the forum portal and send your questions to the community. By supporting us, we can expand our community. Thank you.